We all have retinal scanner access. Escort us to the lobby, and we can get out. You are from the Anomalous Materials Lab. Yes, I recognize.
What?
Ah, you have one of the new HEV suits.
Welcome to the HEV Mark IV protective system for use in hazardous environment conditions.
Caution, Freeman.
First the Combine, now this!
That should keep the free man safe.
The antlions won't bother you now, Doc.
Ha! Got another one.
Now let's see. The last time I saw you, I sent you up for help after the resonance cascade. I never thought it would take you this long to get back to me. We've almost got that portal working again. But I wouldn't blame you if you didn't volunteer for the next trial run.
I don't know if we should go any further.
Hello, the automatic diagnostic and announcement system welcomes you to the Black Mesa Research Facility. Remember, have a secure day.
That's a nice suit.
Farewell, Dr. Freeman.
Thank you, Mr. Freeman. Fire the rocket cannon. Destroy the damned thing before it grows any larger.
All right, Gordon. Your suit should keep you comfortable through all this. The specimen will be delivered to you in a few moments.
They're waiting for you, Gordon. In the test chamber. Go right on through, sir.
Right you are.
I'm with you, buddy.
Yeah.
Forward.
Yes.
Very good.
Yes.
Okay. Rare opportunity for us.
Right you are.
Don't forget to reload, Dr. Freeman.
I've just been informed that the sample is ready.
Dr. Freeman.
We'll take it from here.
A failure of this magnitude is it's highly probable that our luck will change. I certainly hope you know what you're doing. Let's go. Lead the way. I hope those containment parameters are still nominal. Well, there goes our grant money.
Farewell, Dr. Freeman.
Take Gordon out of here. Head for the coast. Good.
105%, but we need the extra resolution.
The Freeman must lead us to the void.
Watch it with that. Watch it with that.
I just overheard a secure access transmission. Don't linger, Mr. Freeman. You've turned on the pumps. Now take the access pipe, flood the core, and get on up to the labs without delay.
Quick, climb up and start. What is he doing? He waited too long. Very good.
Excellent. Someone has restored all power. We'll have the engine up again in no time. It's much too unpredictable. Don't let it overcharge.
Got another one.
Ah, Freeman. The sample was just delivered to the test chamber.